What if I told you that one single magical bird shaped the destiny of Persia's greatest heroes? This isn't just a legend, it's the Simurgh in Ferdowsi's Shahnameh. The epic of kings and warriors, one mysterious creature rises above them all. The Simurgh. She is not only a mythical bird, but a timeless symbol of wisdom, purity, and divine protection. When the abandoned infant Zal was left to die, the Simurgh rescued him, raised him, and gifted him a magical feather, so he could summon her in moments of crisis. This act gave rise to Rostam, Persia's mightiest hero. Generations later, the Simurgh returned to guide the righteous king, Kay Khosrow, ensuring his victory over darkness and fulfilling his divine destiny. But here's the mystery. Why does the Simurgh help only a chosen few? Because she is more than a savior. She is a guardian of fate, stepping in only when destiny itself hangs in the balance. Linked to legends like the Phoenix, yet uniquely Persian, the Simurgh remains one of the most powerful symbols of hope and hidden knowledge. If you love exploring the mysteries of Persian mythology, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Irandokht. And tell me in the comments, which legendary creature should we uncover next?